Hello, I'm Stamati from Redware. You can find us at redware.com. Welcome to our training video. I'm going to show you how to set up our Power BI connector for QuickBooks Online. It should just take a couple of minutes to get you running. The first thing to do, if you haven't done already, is to register and download your software. If you go to redware.com and click the sign up button, you can enter your email address, your password, and 2 plus 3 is 5, and choose your product. In this case, Power BI Connector for QuickBooks Online. Click OK if you want to get emails from us. And now you can see your serial number. It's important that you copy that, so highlight it, press Ctrl C, and note that your expiry date will be the end of next month. You need to come back here and pay for your software if you like it. To install the software, press Install the Connector, and it will take you to a Click Once Microsoft page, which will download a setup file that you may need to open. You may get some prompts along the way. Obviously, if you haven't downloaded it, it's going to download 70 meg of stuff right here, so it'll take a little bit longer than it's just done. Go to the setup page, click on the license, add the license, and paste in with Ctrl V your serial number and press save. Now your QuickBooks setup screen will show, and you can connect to QuickBooks with the green button. So press on that, and then you'll go to your QuickBooks prompt, and you need to enter your password, and it will take you into QuickBooks. If you've got a choice of companies like I have, you'll choose your companies. I'm choosing this US company. It's Advanced QuickBooks, so both Advanced and normal QuickBooks Online will work. Once you're logged on, if you look at the screen behind, it will tell you that you're connected and you're ready to go. So now go to the Power BI page, and this output folder is where we send our data. So if you click Create Data Files, that's going to create some text files that are going to be used by Power BI. Obviously, if you've got a lot of data, that's going to take a while. Once it's done, click Edit and open on the PBIX file. It's going to copy our standard PBIX file over to the data directory and open it up. Once it's open, you'll see it's got our demo data in there. In fact, that's demo data from Sage 50. So if you press refresh button here at the top, it's going to go to that local data and bring in that information, and now you'll be seeing your own data from QuickBooks. So here we've got all the customers. Here we're showing customers and invoices. The beauty, of course, of Power BI is everything is interactive. Or we have suppliers and purchases. Product sales, if you use products, we'll show you the sales on the left and the purchases on the right. There's a page for payments, a special page for debtors, for debt chasing. The more financial amongst you will love this nominals page, where you can see the full history of your nominal transactions, or you can click here for a whole set of nominal transactions. The finance page is a summary which should reflect your trial balance and your balance sheet, and you got your trial balance here. So that's the information. If you look in transform data, you can see that we give you all the data here in this file so that you can pull them into your own systems. And of course, you can publish this PBIX if you want to get going quickly. Just remember about security. Be careful not to share it with people who shouldn't see this data. Finally, if you look at the data directory, you can see here the PBIX, the config file which has all our configuration in, and these text files which have got the data that you can use if you want your own PBIX. If you want a multi-company system, please have a look. And if you're on a server and you have trouble installing because of the nature of that this folder, have a look at our Xcopy installation, which will get you around any of those issues. Okay, thanks for watching. Good luck.